It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, September 3rd. I'm James Spann. A little touch of fall in the air for spots this morning. Going to feel pretty nice over the upcoming Labor Day weekend. Might be a few isolated showers Monday, but much of the weekend will be rain-free. There's the upper air look. We have an upper high off to the west, an upper low well to the northeast, and in between those we have a northerly flow aloft here, and that's pulled down some dry air. Nothing on the radar to start today, and we'll be dry statewide. And look at that. We do indeed have some 50s early this morning. Aniana, 56. Cullman, 58. Haleyville, 59. For a little hint of fall. Mostly mid to upper 60s elsewhere. In the city, it's 70 in Birmingham. The urban heat island effect, if you will. There's the watch warning map. A very quiet morning across the country. Maybe a few strong storms later today out across the midsection. Tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected, and the same thing on day 3, Sunday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west stays dry, and really not a lot here. Rain amounts under 1/2 inch, and for many places, under 1/4 of an inch through Friday morning of next week. In the tropics, got Larry, pretty formidable hurricane. Currently, winds are up to 90 miles an hour. This becomes a major hurricane tonight, but it gains latitude, missing the Lesser Antilles. This will be recurving pretty close to Bermuda and maybe flirting with Canadian Maritimes, but all of this happens well east of the United States. There's the 5-day outlook, that little feature in the East Atlantic, going to have a hard time because of dry air. And there's a tropical wave inland over Central America, and if it survives, that's a big if, it might wind up in the Bay of Campeche. This is the ATCF set. A number of those models dissipate the system, but a few bring it out into the Gulf. The GFS says it's not happening. It dissipates the system inland. Speaking of the GFS, here we go, model fans. The GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 4 o'clock local time. 591 upper high just to the west, and a sunny day today. Humidity stays low, highs mid to upper 80s. Tomorrow, sunny, highs in the upper 80s. Again, the humidity not bad. Dew point should be in the 50s. A nice day to start the long weekend. Sunday, mostly sunny with upper 80s. A little feature north of the state. That might bring a few little isolated showers Sunday evening or Sunday night to the Tennessee Valley. But again, for most places, Sunday looks dry. And then Labor Day, we'll mention a few isolated showers. And by isolated, that means most places will not get wet. Partly sunny, and again, highs upper 80s, right at seasonal averages. Same thing on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, evidence of front could bring an increase in the number of showers and thunderstorms. That looks like the day with the better opportunity of getting some rain. And then Thursday of next week, a new surge of dry air drops in. And a week from today, Friday the 10th, got a 594 upper high well to the west, and for us, a very dry air mass. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 12th, got a 594 upper high just north of here. And again, that looks pretty quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. Again, there's a pretty big spread in some of the members, but the mean just not a lot. Under 1 inch between now and the 18th of September. And keep in mind, unless tropical systems get involved, it can be pretty dry here in September and October. Highs mostly mid to upper 80s, lows mostly in the 60s for the next 10 days. And the CPC outlook, this is for September 10th through the 16th. Temperatures would be a little above average if this all works out. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.